Tempers exploded in court when Advocate Baloyi pressed Absalom Zungu about Exhibit UUU, the statement the state claims he made. Court session took a shocking turn. Absalom Zungu, usually calm and measured, erupted when Advocate Baloyi pressed him about Exhibit UU. Instead of backing down, Zungu pushed back with force, accusing the court of lying, fabricating evidence, and dragging his name into a statement he says he never made. He reminded Baloyi that his own son, Sizwe Zungu, testified in court that he was near the scene where Senzo Meyiwa was killed, a fact that makes the alleged statement even more suspicious. It didn't end here. Zungu Sr. asked Baloyi about his prosecutorial role, and Baloyi was just left speechless. Judge Ratha was also stunned by Absalom Zungu, and he requested the court to address him about this witness, as he claimed to have learned new laws after 56 years of experience. That's pretty much interesting. They took Absalom Zungu for a ride. What he said next left the courtroom stunned. Stay tuned.
Mr. Zungu, we were looking at Exhibit UU. It's A126. It's in the name of Absalom Mhlahlezi Zungu. That is yourself. Is that correct?
Babu Zungu ke besibheke lesi statement siveza ke ukuthi senziwe uAbsalom Mhlahlezi Zungu kunjalo.
Akusenzanga ngoba zangu akusukanga mina ngenhliziyo ngakwenza statement.
I did not make this statement voluntarily.
I testify that up until the stage when your statement, Exhibit UU, was obtained, they did not know about accused number 1 and 2.
Utheke uGininde menekezela ngobufakazi bakhe ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi bakhulumisane nawe bebangazi lutho ke umayelana nomangalelo oqala nomangalelo wesibili.
Uyabona amanga aqala la.
This is where the lies begin.
Aqala lapha. Lokho nje uzokukhuluma ngithi amanga aqala la.
What I'm saying now.
Kanjani obusebenza neConstable Zungu?
No.
Kenendo wayihlala kanjani ngakwazi?
No, you see, when I'm saying in my first statement is that this is how these all lies are starting. How is it that he heard it from me for the very first time? Because he works together with Constable Zungu.
You see,
How is it that he says he does not know about this?
Yes,
Masikhuluma iqiniso ubani wakhomba lapho?
If we were to tell the truth, who pointed these ones out?
Bonke laba abantu bebela bakhonjwa uba.
Who pointed out all these
Mayithi
people?
uGininde wayengazi lutho.
The people before this court. If Gininda is saying that he did not know anything.
You see, the statement of Constable Zungu was obtained much later. In fact, these proceedings were underway when his statement was obtained.
Statement sakhe Constable Zungu ke sathathwa ke iqaleli icala seliqalile uqulwa ke isikhathi sesihambe kakhulu mangabe bethatha ke bese kusekhamba isikhathi eside ngaphambi kokuthi bathathe ke istatement saka Constable Zungu bese likhulunywa leli cala babu Zungu mangabe bethatha ke istatement saka Constable Zungu.
Now
Manje ngisho lokho ukuthi phela uhlala naye wayenza kanjani uGininde azofuna ke statement ehlala naye.
Now is it
uConstable Zungu wayekhona mzukwana kufumeyiwe basithatha kanjani pho?
How is it that he says that he wanted to take this statement from me? Because he was forever with Constable Zungu, and Constable Zungu says that he was there when the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. So how is it? I think that there's a lot that we're gonna expose here.
the date of his statement is 31 May 2023.
Istatement saka Constable Zungu senziwa mhla ka 31 kuMay ngonyaka ka 2023.
Statements nabani?
Saka Constable Zungu sabhaliswa mhla ka 31 kuMay ngonyaka ka 2023.
Hayi khona.
No.
Yes.
Amanga yiwo lawo ke ngafu.
No, those are lies and I do not get along with them.
Why sesithathe kubani lokho?
From whom did he get that information from?
The evidence of Brigadier Gininda is that he only got statement that directs them to accused number 1 in November 2019, referring to your statement, dated 17 November 2019.
Uthi bona bazi ngomangalelwa oqala ke emveni kokuthi ke bathole ke istatement bazi ngomangalelwa oqala ngoNovember ngonyaka ka2019 ke emveni kokuthi bathole ke istatement kuwe noma ke isibuya kuwe esenziwe mhla ka17 kuNovember ngonyaka ka2019.
It says, prior to that, we had no knowledge of him. That is now accused number 1. Once we had the statement of Absalom Zungu, that is yourself, making us to focus on him, that is accused number 1. Cold case analysis was done. We referred to this portion yesterday already. It was during the proceedings of 20 May 2025, page 16, line 10. And also record page 17, record of the 17th of October 2024, page 40, line 11. He testified as follows: indeed, my lord, on the 17th of November 2029, the father, Constable Zungu, brought the father, who then gave me a statement, and that statement implicated accused number 1 and 2. So those names, my lord, are now in the sworn affidavit for the first time. And for the first time, now we had 2 possible suspects.
Manje uBrigadier Gininda menikezela ngobufakazi bakhe la phambi kwenkundla mhla ka17 kuOctober kunyaka ka2024 ku page number 40 ku line number 11 okusho ukuthi ke ubufakazi bakhe buqoshiwe lapha njengoba umshushisi esifundela khona noma ke isilandisa khona ukuthi ke uye waletha ke uZungu Constable Zungu waletha ke ubaba wakhe owenza ke istatement wasinikeza ke imininingwane noma ke amagama wabamangalelwa laba ababili umangalelwa oqala nomangalelwa wesibili uthi ke saqala ukuyizwa nqa indaba yalamagama lawa amabili walabantu laba.
Okay, bonke abantu abalabalale ngithi mayethu Gininda wayengakwazi Constable Zungu wayengakwazi.
Let's listen to this now. If everyone who's here is listening, if you are saying that Gininda said that he did not know the names of these people,
Usho kanjani uConstable Zungu athi ngangiseduzane nalapho kwenzeka khona isigameko?
and then now how is it that Constable Zungu says that he was near or next to the place where the incident took place?
Engasho ukuthi statement lesasibhalayo uthi ngangiseduzane
He was,
nalapho wabala yonke into.
and Constable Zungu then is not saying that he made a statement. He is saying that he was near the place where the incident took place. He even explained how the incident took place.
Wathini lapha enkantolo Constable Zungu?
And what did Constable Zungu say when he came to court?
Wathi Constable Zungu ngangiseduzane nalapho kwenzeka khona isigameko.
Constable,
Sorry.
What?
Constable Zungu has already given evidence. So what the state is trying to ascertain is your own statement, not the statement of Constable Zungu. That is gone.
sisikhathi sakababa Constable Zungu ne wasibhalisa ke sakhe statement wazibanikezela ngobufakazi bakhe sesindlulile kuleso sigaba leso. Shushisi manje yena ukubuza ngalesi statement sakho wena osibhalisile. No.
Ngithi mina Constable Zungu mayethi wezwa ngami. Constable Zungu angithi uchazile la enkantolo. Wathi Constable Zungu ngangikhona eduze kwesigameko.
What I'm saying, my lord, is that what I'm saying, my lord, is that Constable Zungu said that he heard this from me, and further came to his to court with giving his oral evidence saying that he was next or nearby where the incident took place, and then many things were then revealed.
Ikho ke ngithi yabona nje basebeveza lokho sebeyiveza obala ke manje obuchaze yonke into la enkantolo akachazi nestatement chaza ngento ayekhona eduzane kwayenzeka.
You see now that there's reference made to this statement. They're now exposing themselves because he said that he was there or near the place where the incident took place.
Yiphi le wardrobe yena ayifakwe kuyo ngoba wayengakwazi ukusho kanjani lokho khona lokho nje statement mayisizwe ngami yini athi ngangikhona eduzane kwesigameko.
Ubaba makathi-ke kuyiphi leyo wardrobe wayifake kuyo uchaza ukuthini Ntomdala?
chaza ukuthi konye ungangithatha nongivalele la bese kwenzeka ngoba khona indlela phela ebekiwe eshiwoyo la Concept Zungu uthi Concept Zungu echaza la enkantolo ukuthi ngangithatha mina kwathathwa isibhamu sami kanti abameli babeze bembuze bethi
Maqala baba yazi ngithi ngifuna ukuzwisisa inkulumo yakho
ngithi
ithi-ke
la
mamela baba.
hayi ukuthi ngithi la wachaza wazabuzwa ngabameli bembuza ukuthi Concept Zungu uthi wena wawukhona wabe usuwenze njani emva kwalokho uthi ngahamba ngaye police station yami engisebenza
What
kuyo.
was posed or what was asked, my lord, from Constable Zungu when he came here by the attorneys? I wanted to find out from him as you are saying that you were present or nearby where the incident took place. What is it that you did? And then he said that he went to his police station. Ingxoxo bengizama-ke ukuthi siyicazulule baba ukuthi-ke kumele ukuthi iqoshwe le nto ikhulumile ngoba-ke angisengizoyishiya ngaphandle ngiyivalele ngaphandle bese ayisaveli. Inkulumo yakho leyo ukuthi-ke wayevalelwe yini ngaphakathi kwe-wardrobe ngifuna ukuthi siyilungise lapho
Hayi lokho ngiyalinganisa ukuthi wayevalelwe kuphi ngoba wayekhona uchaza yena ukuthi wayekhona wabona lezi zinto akachazi ngestatement
My
Funeka licala
lord,
licaca akachazi ngale statement ekuthiwa basithatha kimi Concept Zungu wezwa ngami
was Constable Zungu under any juries for not making mention of this statement because he's explaining something else, saying that he was present or nearby where the incident took place, but it does not refer to the statement itself.
indawo liqhubeka bakhona uzofika bakuzwe lokho engisho
Even if this matter was to be heard from another court, people will hear this. I'm not scared.
ngwesami lo ngiyofika ngisho ukuthi ngicela ukubuza nje umsebenzi wakhe la enkantolo njengakho ukhona amaphepha mafika amaphepha ngimangele khona oyedwa noma ngasinoma izinto iqala kobani komshushisi kuze zedlulele emantshini umshushisi uzemukele ke nazi ke
Okay, but-
waseyisebenzisa yini utheni mase isebenzisa ukuthethwa icala ingasasebenzi utheni umshushisi
So if that's the court procedure or if there is a court procedure that needs to be followed, as in terms of statements and documents, where are they given at first hand or where are they obtained at first hand? Are they from the prosecution and then given to the magistrate? However, this document has been accepted and used here in court. What did they do about that information upon them receiving it?
ake selingene ke icala kunikeziwe sokuvula icala
Now a case has been opened.
umshushisi ke nabanye ke ithimba lakhe uthini
The prosecution and his team.
uthini umshushisi mangabe sokuthiwa qulu icala engasasho umshushisi ukuthi hayibo kufuneka lo muntu enithi wabhala le statement abela alikwazi ukuqhubeka icala engekho
And what does the prosecution then say after when starting the matter, without saying that, no, man, we need this person to be before court because of this document?
Baba Zungu, we explained to
Mana
you
kancane ukuthi
what the law
ngikhuluma.
says.
Sokufika ephuzini lapha ebevese
What's the
ngilifuna
time? So that you must
ufike
adjourn.
ephuzini ebengilifuna leli
Mr. Baroi, what's your time?
It's 22. We still have
Ngiyafuna ngikhulume lena ngoba
We
bugebengu
have about
bengenza
20
lokho.
minutes, my lord.
20?
20 minutes.
Oh, okay, let's continue then.
Yes.
Ngiyidlalele manje ngingasi next ngendaba zomeyo ngayezwa
Yes.
ngifuni
I don't know what I have to make of this charade. You'll have to address me on that.
As
Because we've got another lawyer this side who's actually educating the court and the prosecutor and everybody about what the law says or what the law should do.
Yes.
You'll have to address me on that.
As a court pleases.
Because
When, my lord? When?
when I say this witness, it will come to that, the evaluation of this witness. What should the court make of it? So you must prepare to address me.
Or
At the end of the case.
At the end of the
Yeah.
trial?
Because
Most definitely, my lord, most definitely.
after 56 years, I'm learning new law. Okay,
About this witness, or from this witness, my lord.
I'm learning new law in this court.
We'll definitely address
Yes.
the court, my lord.
Yes.
That one will definitely come.
What do you make of Zungu's explosive pushback? Do you think the court is mishandling the evidence? Or was Zungu simply overwhelmed under pressure? Why is Sizwe Zungu not arrested for failing to report the crime in 2014 as per his claim he was there? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. To my amazing subscribers, thank you. We are firmly on the road to 4,500 subscribers, and I appreciate every bit of your support. If you're new here, don't leave without subscribing. Your support helps me break down this case with clarity and courage. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Skybreach. Until next time, goodbye.